like to taste the grape varieties in wines, let's try the Cabernet Sauvignon coming from France, from Bordeaux. Beautiful Cabernet Sauvignon, from the top from Pomerol or Saint-Emilion to the Bordeaux Superior, that you don't have to pay so much. And also, if you want to make the comparison, why don't you taste like Cabernet Sauvignon coming from Michael in Chile? Beautiful also, so you can compare them, okay? And if you would like to taste the Pinot Noir, I will take the Pinot Noir from Bourgogne, which is my favorite one. And also you can taste Pinot Noir from New Zealand, and you compare both of them, and they are beautiful also producing Pinot Noir. And if I would like to taste the Grenache, it's beautiful in Spain, it's beautiful the Grenache in Spain, and also in the south of France, in Languedoc-Roussillon, they produce beautiful Grenache. To finish, Shiraz. I love Shiraz. You find Shiraz in South Africa, beautiful. You find Shiraz in Australia. It's my favorite. Octanos is beautiful there. Just so I invite you to taste all these great varieties and enjoy. Choose.